Hey guys, it's Natanika here, and today I'm showing you guys a super simple Cheetah Girls inspired look with some new products, so let's get into it. First things first, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm wearing the shade 60. So I go in with this underneath my eyes just to cover my dark circles before I put down my foundation. And after I put on my foundation, I usually put another layer on if I feel like I need the extra coverage. Now after I let my concealer sit for a little bit, I pat it in with my beauty blender. Now mind you guys, I am not a professional makeup artist. I'm just trying out some new products today, and I decided to go with this look just to keep it fun. Now I'm going to go in with my first new product. It's by Farmasi Makeup, and it's the VFX Pro Camera Ready Foundation. Now this is a full coverage foundation, and I'm wearing the shade Latte. I actually got color match for this foundation using a picture, and it actually was a pretty good match once I blended it all in. The foundation wasn't super heavy at all or greasy because I did have it on for a while under these lights, and it held up pretty well. Alright, now I just wanted to show you guys what the foundation looks like up close and personal. No filters, no nothing, just me under the lights. I'd say it's looking pretty good. I really like the coverage that it gave me. Now normally I would put a little bit of concealer near the two corners of my mouth because I do have some hyperpigmentation, but I actually didn't need it with this foundation. Now here, I'm attempting to do a slight contour, but again, I barely know how to do my makeup, so you guys are getting the super easy beginner's version of everything today. Now I'm going to go in with my Falsies mascara. This is my favorite mascara to use when I don't feel like putting on any falsies. It gives you a similar effect and it lasts all day long. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX lip liner. The first shade that I'm gonna go in with is Toast. Now I'm going to go in with another darker shade of NYX lip liner in the color Espresso. I'm just going to use this on the outer line of my lips, just to give a more shaded kind of ombre nude lip effect. Now I'm going in with another Farmasi makeup product. It's called Miss Sparkle Lip Gloss. It's just a light pink lip gloss with a little shimmer to it, and it went perfect with this nude lip that I was going for. Now this lip gloss went on pretty smooth. It wasn't super sticky at all, which I really liked, and obviously I like the look, as you can see. Alright guys, that is it for this look. Let me know what you guys think about any of the products that I use, and I'll give you guys info in the description box about where you can find them for yourselves. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos of me and my hair and all these products that I love to try out. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.